Welcome to my channel. This is the more example. This is the more problem for some multiple angle. Okay, and this is the second video for some multiple angle. See the solution here. Okay, and I am introducing a 10 problem to all of you with solution. See the solution here now for, and this problem are taken from the book of assembly. Okay, and sub multiple angle. Okay, now see the sub multiple angle. Okay, sub multiple angle. And now we have to solve the question number 5, and this is the marks 4. Okay, and see, it is given that the tan theta by 2 is equal to tan cube phi by 2 is given here, and another more condition is that tan phi is equal to 2 times of tan alpha. Now see, we have to prove this case, and see, here is submultiple, this is by 2 and this is also by 2. That's why the condition we have to show the phi plus theta is equal to 2 alpha, but see the angle we have by 2, so that's why we take a by 2 here. Okay, so from that we can write like that. Why we take a by 2? As we see, this is the angle is also by 2 and this is angle also by 2, so that's why we can take as a submultiple pattern. And this is tan theta by 2, and also this is phi by 2. Okay, and 1 minus tan theta by 2, and also tan, here is phi by 2. Okay, and see phi by 2, and this also tan theta by 2. Tan theta by 2 means this is tan cube. This is tan cube phi by 2, yeah, and this is tan phi by 2. Okay, 1 minus tan theta by 2, that is tan cube phi by 2 and tan phi by 2. So this is we take a common here, tan phi by 2 as a factor, and then another more factor is there, 1 plus tan square phi by 2, and this is a 1 minus tan to the power 4, so we can take the factor like 1 plus tan square phi by 2, and another more here is 1 minus tan square phi by 2 here. Okay, and so these two factors are cancelled, so we take a half and 2 tan phi by 2 by, and this is a 1 minus, so tan square phi by 2 here. Okay, and so we can write here tan, and this is the, in case of multiple angle, this is tan of 2 into phi by 2. Okay, so this is 2 are cancelled, so half, and this is tan phi. Okay, now see tan phi, and this is equal to 2 times of tan alpha. Okay, these 2 are cancelled, we can write here tan alpha. And now on the left hand side, this is the phi plus theta by 2 here. Okay, then compare with this, then we get there, here this is phi plus theta by 2 is equal to alpha, so we can write phi plus theta is equal to 2 alpha. Proved. Okay, very interesting question. See the solution carefully. And now we have proceed to the second number. Question is 7 here. Okay, proceed to the question number 7. So see, we have given here sin theta is equal to a minus b by a plus b. So see, here is only b by a, so this is single b is single by a, so in that pattern we see we apply the component dividendo, dividendo component. Okay, so now and this is as a right by 1, so again we doing here 1 plus right here 1 by sin theta, and that would be here 1 plus b by 1 minus b here. So 1 plus sine theta and 1 minus sine theta. So a plus b plus a minus b and a plus b a minus b. Applying applying the component dividend on both sides. Okay, so now see here, and we can write here like this is cos theta by 2 plus sin theta by 2 as a whole square, and also here is cos theta by 2 minus sin theta by 2 as a whole square. So we take here as a b are cancel, a are cancel. This is a by b. Okay. So now see on the left hand side, see this is pi by 2 minus, and also this is a by b and this is a b by a. So we can reverse these as a and get a square root here. Okay. So you can write like that. Okay, minus plus. And this also plus minus root over b by a, and dividing by cos theta by 2 on both sides. Okay, dividing by cos theta by 2 on both sides. So you can write like that, cos theta by 2. Okay, same as we can write that cos theta by 2. Okay, so you can write again, this is 1 minus tan theta by 2, and this is the 1 plus tan theta by 2 plus root over b by a. Okay, and see again that is we can like write here pi by 4 minus tan theta by 2, and again 1 plus tan pi by 4 and tan theta by 2, and that is equal to plus minus root over b by a, and this is here tan pi by 4, and this is here plus minus root over b by a, and proved. Okay, see, good question, and see the solution carefully. Now we have to proceed to question number 8 and see the solution here. And this is given that this is a rate tan theta, and this is equal to x into sec theta minus 1 whole square. But see, this is a by 2 and by 2, theta by 2. It is a submultiple pattern. So we have to break the theta in pattern of by 2. Okay. Now see here, sin theta by cos theta. Okay, and now this is divided by this. We can write here as a cos square theta, and we get here 1 minus as a cos theta whole square. So this is equal to x here. Okay, actually sec theta means 1 by cos theta, and take a LCM, then you get here cos square, and this is, and reverse, this is transferred to the left hand side actually, and that's why you can write like that pattern. Okay, now see, this is here, we want to find the what pattern we want to get the condition. This is chord, actually chord. And now see, this is here 2 sin theta by 2 and cos theta by 2 also. Actually these and these cos are cancelled. So this is here 2 sin square theta by 2. And this is a square, and now you can write here like cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2, and this is her x. Okay, this is your 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 4 sine to the power 4 theta by 2 and cos square theta by 2 minus sin square theta by 2 equal to x. So these, okay, 2 are transferred to the right hand side. As you see on the right hand side here is twice x. So I think all are doing well, and this is sin theta are cancelled. So we can write sin theta on the numerator part. This is here cos theta by 2 and also multiply with this is cos q, okay, and by sin q actually, and multiply by this we get here sin square theta by 2 into cos theta whole divided by sin to the power q theta by 2. Actually 1 sin theta by 2 are cancelled, and this is at twice this, and 2 are transferred to this, okay. And see, this is actually cot q theta by 2, and these two signs are cancelled, so this is left as sin theta by 2 only. So that's why this is cot theta by 2, and we get here twice x. See the solution, very easy question. Okay, now proceed to the question number 9. Okay, see the solution carefully, okay, students, see carefully, okay. Very good question for 9. So we have used to the cross multiplication method. So, and this is equal to k and this is equal to also a k. So now from the above equation, x cos alpha plus y sin alpha, and that is equal to k, and take a k on the left hand side, and another equation is x into sin beta, actually cos beta, and this is here cos beta plus y into sin beta, and this is also minus k equal to 0. So see the solution pattern. This is direction as arrow like that, okay, and we apply the cross multiplication method. This is x by, and this is y by, and this is k by, is that. When you take x by, then this let us assume a absent here. So this is let us assume a absent here. So like that zigzag method, when this absent, then the coefficient start from here, okay, and the coefficient of y here is sin alpha, and coefficient of k is minus 1. So you can take a minus sin beta alpha, okay, and then after minus product of that, okay, coefficient here is minus 1 and this is sin beta, minus sin beta, okay, this is the technique. And then y by this, so we close this column and have a see, look here, the row are not also present the coefficient of k here. So if we take a coefficient here minus 1, so like a zigzag method, okay, multiply by this here, okay, so this is their minus, this is their cos beta, so we can write here cos beta, okay. After that, in the middle there is a rule is minus, so after that this zigzag method, okay, here is minus and this is their cos alpha, so minus cos alpha, then k by this, again if this is absent, then start for again here, okay, so these roots, this into this minus this into this, okay, so cos alpha and sin beta minus sin alpha and cos beta. Again I repeat this solution in the end of that. When if you take a k, so this is here absent, so arrow here is a end, okay, then again start from the from this top, okay, so this is a procedure of zigzag method, so this into this minus this into this, okay, from that. So see the solution carefully again here. So x by, and this is here sin beta minus sin alpha, okay, and this is y by cos alpha minus cos beta, okay, and this is k by, and this is a sin beta minus alpha. Now use the formula. This is cos alpha plus beta by 2 and sin beta minus alpha by 2. Now again this is here 2 sin alpha plus beta by 2 and again sin d minus c by 2. This is beta minus alpha by 2 here. Again k by, as a theta. If we let us assume this is a sine 2 theta. Okay, we can write here 2 sine theta cos theta. Okay, if this is a alpha, whole thing is alpha, so sine alpha, we can write like a 2 sine alpha by 2 cos alpha by 2. Same as this is assume a whole theta, so it is like we can break the formula of that, and this is cos of beta minus alpha by 2 here. See which factor is here cancel, this is 2 and 2. Also sine beta by beta minus alpha by 2, beta minus alpha by 2, also sine beta minus alpha by 2. Okay, now write here x by cos of alpha plus beta by 2. Okay, and this is y by also sine alpha plus beta by 2. And see, this is k by cos of beta minus alpha by 2. Actually, you want to show cos of alpha minus beta by 2. Actually, cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Therefore, we can write here cos of alpha minus beta by 2. Okay. See, cos of minus alpha is equal to cos alpha. Since. Okay, proved. So next question. Next question is 15. Very interesting question. See the solution here. And this is the end of marks 4. Okay. 15 here. If here is sin x plus sin y is equal to 2 times of sin x plus y. And another case is never be 0, so that's why we can transfer to the denominator part. So this is sin x plus sin y and by sin of x plus y. Okay, since x plus y never be 0, so that's why we can like that. Okay, 2 sin x plus y by 2 and cos x minus y by 2, and see this is sin x plus y by 2 and cos x plus y by 2. Like sin alpha, we can write 2 sin alpha by 2 and cos alpha by 2. Okay, so like that we split this question here 2. Now see, these two are cancelled, and these here 2 sin are cancelled. So now we want to and now we want to solve this x minus y by 2 by cos x plus y by 2 here, and that is 2 by 1 here. So apply the rules, component dividend. So x by 2 minus y by 2, and I'll apply the whole thing is that x minus y by 2 here. So cos of x plus by y by 2 here, and again this is here x minus y by 2 minus cos of x plus y by 2 here, and that is 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 1. Again right here, this is 2 cos of this plus this by 2. Actually y by cancel and twice y by 2, this is x by 2, and again cos of this minus this by 2, we get here y by 2 here. Same as 2 sine this plus this by 2, we can write here x by 2, and also sine b minus c by 2, this is y by 2 here. Okay, so this is here 3, 2 are cancelled, so this is here cot x by 2, this is here cot y by 2, this is your 3. So this is your tan. Okay, this is your tan. So this is tan x by 2, we can write, and tan y by 2, this is a 1/3. Okay, proof. Okay, see the solution carefully. Now you go to the marks 5 and see solution carefully. Okay, student, take care. Now again, see the solution number, and this is their marks 4. Okay, see the solution number 2 part 3. Okay, this is your 1 plus cos pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 7 pi by 10 into 1 plus cos 9 pi by 10 here. Okay, and see 1 plus cos pi by 10. Okay, now write this question here. 1 plus cos, this is pi minus pi by 10. So that's why this is 9 pi by 10 again. Okay, and now see here 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10. We write here 1 plus cos pi minus 3 pi by 10, that is 7 pi by 10. Okay, so see again 1 plus cos pi by 10, and this is 1 minus 2 into 90 minus theta, that is cos theta. Okay, minus cos theta, this is pi by 10 here, and also 1 plus cos 3 pi by 10. See, this is 2 into 90 minus theta. I lie on the sine cell, so that's why cos, and 2 into 90, this is even number, so cos, and go to the sine cell, that's why it's minus. Okay, so see, this is 1 minus cos square pi by 10, and this also 1 minus cos square 3 pi by 10 here. Okay, see, sine square pi by 10, see, sine square 3 pi by 10. Okay, this is sine square pi by 10 means 118 degree. Okay, this is sine square 3 pi by 10, 3 54, and the value of 18 is there root 5 minus 1 by 4, and this is square, and this is a root 5 plus 1 by 4, and this is a whole square. And now this is here 4 4s are 16 here, and also root 5 square, and this is 1 square, and this is whole square. So see, this is here 4 into 1 by 4 actually, and this is square. So this is here 1 by 4 whole square, this is 1 by 16. Okay, this is done. Answer is 1 by 16. Okay, see the solution carefully. Okay, next. And that is your question number 6. This is cot 7.5. Okay, this is cos 7.5. This is sine 7.5 multiplied by 2, and also other factor. Okay, this is a 2 sine 7.5 and cos 7.5. Okay, and this will be a 2 cos square theta, and this is 15, and this is sine 15. Okay, 2 sine theta cos theta, sine 2 theta. These all are in degree. Okay, and this is 15 degree. So you can write here cos 15. So you can write 45 minus 30 degree. Okay, here is sine 15. This is 45 minus 30 degree. Okay, see the solution here. Cos 45 and cos 30 plus sine 45 and sine 30. Okay, now write here sine 45 and cos 30 and cos 45 and sine 30. See the solution here. 1 plus 1 by root 2. Actually cos 30, this is root 3 by 2 here. Same as 1 by root 2. Sine 30, this is here half. 1 by root 2, cos 30 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, and this is a half. So take a LCM, 2 root 2, root 3 plus 1, and root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1. Okay, this is 3 minus 1. Actually get here 2, multiply by this, 2 root 6, and root 3 3, and root 3, 2 root 2, plus root 3, plus 1, 2 root 6, root 3, 2 root 2, root 3, okay, 2 root 3, this is 2 root 2, 3 and 1, 4, 1 divided by 2, and take a common 2 and cancel this, so we get root 6, root 3, root 2 and 2. See the solution, 2 plus root 2 plus root 3 plus root 6, okay. See the solution here, okay. So I go to the solution number, question number 8 actually. And in my chapter of complex number, there was some discussion like, and and it is also give a proof there. So this is theta 1, sin theta 1, and if we cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2, and like that. If we get our cos theta 3 plus I into sin theta 3, we can write like cos of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3, like that I into sin of theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3. If another more complex number like cos theta 4 plus I sin theta 4, so plus addition theta 4 plus theta 4, like that, okay. So from 8 we can write like that. So I'm don't copy this question here, just I am adding these 4 angles. This is pi by 10, this is 2 pi by 10, this is 3 pi by 10, and this is 4 pi by 10 here, and also I into sine of that pi by 10, and dot of this, and then we get here cos of 4, 3, 10, 7 and 10, this is pi, okay, and I into sine pi, okay. Sine pi is actually 0 and cos pi is minus 1, so I into 0 here, so this result is minus 1, so this is a minus 1, okay. So see the solution here. Now we have to proceed to the question number, and this is the question number 10. Okay, see, this is a cos square pi by 11, cos square 2 pi by 11, cos square 3 pi by 11, cos square 4 pi by 11, actually 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, plus cos square 5 pi by 11 here, okay, and see the solution here, okay, and we take a half and multiply 2 by each of the term, okay. So see, there is a half, 2 cos square theta, let us assume this is a theta, let theta is equal to 11 pi by 11, so 2 cos square theta, 2 cos square 2 theta, okay, 2 cos square 4, and this is a 6 theta, so 2, no, this is 3 theta, actually 4 theta, and 2 cos square 5 theta. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is here actually again see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, okay. So this is 2 cos square theta, this is 1 plus cos 2 theta, so like that, okay, 2 theta, 4 theta, 6 theta, 8 theta, 10 theta, okay. we write here 1 by 2 sine 2 theta. So 2 sine 2 theta cos 2 theta, 2 cos 4 theta and sine 2 theta, 2 cos 6 theta sine 2 theta, 2 cos 8 theta sine 2 theta, 2 cos 10 theta and sine 2 theta. Okay. This is a 1 by 2 and 5 plus 1 by 2 sine 2 theta, and now write here sine 4 theta, and this is here sine 6 theta minus sine 2 theta. Okay, and this is here sine 8 theta minus sine 4 theta. This is here sine 6 theta. Okay, no, this is here 10 theta. Okay, and sine 6 theta. This is here sine 12 theta minus sine 8 theta. Okay, so this sine 8 are cancelled, these two sine are cancelled. Okay, these 4 sine theta, 4 sin theta are also cancelled. Okay, then 1 by 2 5 plus 1 by 2 sine 2 theta actually, and this is minus sine 2 theta. This is here C. We can write here sine 11 theta, okay, equal to pi. So we can write here 11 theta minus theta, and also here sine 11 theta plus theta. Okay, so this is 1 by 2 here, 5 plus 1 by 2 sine 2 theta, this is minus sine 2 theta. See, this is pi, see pi minus theta, so that is why sine theta, and this is here pi plus theta, so we get here minus sine theta. Okay, so this sine 2 are cancelled, so these also have to cancel. So 1 by 2, and this is a minus half. So 9. So 9 by 4. See the solution. This is 9 by 4. And last question. And see, this is very interesting question. See carefully. Okay, student, okay? All the students see carefully. Very interesting question is this. This is actually now last question is third. So see, you are given that is sine alpha plus sine beta is equal to A, and also this is cos alpha plus cos beta is equal to 2 actually, and we have to find the cos alpha plus beta. See, if we do break the formula like beta by 2 and cos alpha minus beta by 2 as 1, this is 1, and now from this to cos alpha plus beta by 2 and cos alpha minus beta by 2 as a b, this is 2. 1 divide 2, then we get here these are cancelled, this by this as a, we get here tan alpha plus beta by 2 actually, and this is my target was, and because we want to find the value of that, and assume that this is a theta, 2 theta, so that is the formula of 1 minus tan square theta. So we can write here 1 minus tan square theta. Theta means here alpha plus beta by 2 here. Okay, so you can easily apply the rules here. So that is your 1 minus, and this value is a by b whole square, and this is here a by b whole square, and then take an LCM, we get here b square minus a square, and also b square plus a square. Okay, so very interesting class today, and enjoy the class, all of the students. Okay, good luck.